Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and we are here today in Hershey, PA at Pleasant Valley Homes. We're going to be walking through with the owner of the home that we're building. We're going to walk through all of the different things that they can do with their house related to finishes and related to floor plan revisions and things like that. And then we're also going to get a chance to walk through the factory. So come join us as we walk through this process together with this family. Okay, so we are here at the factory. We're gonna pick all the finishes in the house today. We're gonna walk through the factory, look through the floor plans and stuff. What are you most looking forward to today specifically?
Oh, well, me, I'm always most excited to pick out my new kitchen stuff.
And there's a ton of stuff here to pick out. I mean, this design center is huge, so I can't wait to do all this. So why don't we just get to it?
Cool.
All right, cool.
All right. Thanks.
Okay. So this is the house order itself. So
this is what I have so far.
Keep in mind there's going to be insider lingo stuff on here, so any questions that you have, just ask.
The back page is a plan if we want to go take a look at that.
Oh, perfect, yeah.
Now, I've made some notes on it already. Things that I'm going to need after we clean them up so we can get you final prints. After we clean this up, then what I'll do is I'll submit for the revisions, the foundation, the elevations, and electrical. That's the next step.
Great.
Choose from.
This is nice too.
Hey, baby.
Can you do it without this like film?
There's a lot of options here. Crazy amount of stuff here. Holy cow.
I think in the kitchen we might do our own stone. Right?
Okay, so omit the countertops in the kitchen.
Right?
Yeah, but I thought we were going to look at what our choices were.
Yeah.
Nope, too late.
We're kind of looking. We're kind of looking now.
Yeah. Ours will come out, but I like how this stops here, and then it's just the wall. So like.
And no wall there.
No, well.
Correct, no wall there. Correct, yes.
Just the counter.
Yeah, because like right now there's a wall here just like this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that works out perfect because I'm thinking that's a high and low, but we don't need the high and lows.
Yeah, so it would just
That's
be,
for
this
return
is
air
my,
and all that.
Yep.
This is just now my island. I don't need that.
Just come to the cabinet
Just
and then
where-
make everything
right,
come out
where-
symmetrical.
Yeah.
Or that. I just thought that would be great.
There's no cookies in
Like
there.
that, what are we talking?
That way.
It'll be like this.
Okay.
See,
Foot 6.
Yeah.
6 over 6.
Yeah.
you're good with
Yep.
this, yeah.
Yeah. That looks nice. Okay, cool.
And what I have in yours right now is all the premium ones.
Great.
Yep.
This is black. We can get. Do we want this in the front of the house?
Those sort of
Like,
lights,
the
right?
Lights up in the peak.
I'll find the eyeballs.
Yeah.
He's got it.
I'll get
Yeah. Yeah.
I just think it looks a lot better if they're coming down, I think.
Yeah.
So,
Well, you,
Oh, the Buffalo folks. They were supposed to beat Kansas City.
We know.
that's right, that's right.
This is more in line with what you're just going to have. Floor system.
yeah, it's funny they put the floor underneath where the shower goes. Right?
Well, for the vinyl, yeah. It's just quicker to do it that way, you know?
And we keep the paper down to protect it. If you got to cut, if the paper's cut, then we know that it's possible something underneath of it got damaged. So that's
Yeah.
easy to tell that. You'll see when we get to the end where your frame comes into play.
Yeah. Okay. It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Really cool.
Someone's kitchen.
Plumbing area.
Okay. Will be access to that? That'll be inside the cabinet.
Yeah, there's a potty.
That one's not working yet, though,
Yeah.
so don't use that one yet.
OSB between the studs. You want to see how the ceilings are made? That's this one.
This way.
Not that kind of roof system. This is more in line with your kind of roof system. It's going to be a hinged roof. And right now that's laying on the drywall ceiling.
So this is going on the ceiling, you said? This is going on the ceiling? You want it on the walls and the ceiling?
Yeah, and
And the floor. What part is on the floor? Maybe like a swamp?
no, like an ocean with
Oh, an ocean.
like with like when
Like that big shark kind of dinosaur that jumps out of the water?
yeah, like a
That thing's crazy. That thing's enormous.
A Lego.
It'll be the size of your whole room.
Yeah. Well, a Lego one.
Yeah. Well, sure. Yeah, a Lego one for sure. Yeah, yeah. I like it.
But everything. Except like.
Who doesn't like Legos? Who doesn't like Legos? Legos are great.
Well, these are not Lego. This is just like Mark.
Okay.
See, that's the adhesive they use.
Yeah.
So there's not one nail or screw holding that drywall up. So that adhesive. Notice they keep measuring tool out here to make sure when they do put the insulation, it's in there adequately.
And it wants.
So it just prevents any opportunity for any nail pops, and there's nothing to pop.
Yeah.
If your dad ever said you put too much glue on something, just remind him of this. All right?
And I want like the floor, the water on the floor for the mosasaurs to be Lego studs.
Imagine, I mean, the sanding, you need to be tall or have stilts to do that job. They do a really good job in our stuff.
That sounds terrible. Just having your arms over your head all day.
What's up, buddy?
And like for like the walls, I want a Lego built like forest.
Lego forest?
Yeah.
Is it like painted on the walls, or what's your thought?
Painted on the walls.
Painted? Okay.
For the ceiling, I want Lego.
Like a tree for it, like a tree ceiling, like branches and stuff.
Yeah, but I also want Lego pterodactyls and some built-in clouds.
Built-in
And
clouds.
This is obviously a open area.
The sky can just be blue.
Yeah, sure, that makes sense.
Something I mentioned earlier, you guys.
What are you thinking?
I want a Jurassic Lego logo in the corner made out of Lego.
Maybe like near the door or something?
Yeah, like it up in the corner near the door.
I like it. That's a good spot for it.
And then over here, the label. And you can see 5 plugs into 5, 6 into 6, 42-inch cabinet. There's a good idea to do a back.
You got other ideas? You got lots of ideas here. I like it. You're a visionary.
See these hydraulics?
Yep.
These hydraulics will lift your house up,
Yep.
knowing that your house was built completely level the whole way through the process, and then they'll bring in the carrier and put it under and lag it for shipping purposes.
Okay. Like air hockey?
Yeah. Yep. A little bit stronger.
Yeah.
We make all of our paints and stuff right here on this machine. So there's tight miters along all the corners.
Yep.
That's a solid surface countertop in process.
Oh, cool.
Good. You cut out for all that? Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you blend it so easily?
You just cut it back with and you use the pump with its own fluid. So that's how we do it.
They're gonna make our house.
Thank you. I'm glad you're actually
Placing
doing
our order.
We're just finishing it right now. We got to get all the design ideas in.
Like I said, we make our own cabinetry. This is a CNC machine. It's all electronically programmed to make all your cuts, potatoes, grooves.
So
I also have some idea for the furniture also.
the furniture? Well, we don't do furniture, but I'd love to hear your ideas.
And also a
I'll be honest, it
and
was,
also
but
a
when I get
couch
home-
that looks like a triceratops.
A couch that looks like a triceratops? This house is getting crazy.
Hi, T-Man.
See you, buddy.
Bye-bye. See you, buddy.
Hey, so that wraps up our factory visit here today with these homeowners. We went through and picked all the finishes through the design center here at Pleasant Valley. We went through the floor plan and made the revisions that we needed to make to that. And then we also got a chance to walk through the factory. So during our design and planning phase of the build, it's a normal process for us to go through a lot of these things. And sometimes it makes sense to go to the factory for your circumstances and location. Sometimes it doesn't, but it's certainly something that we can look to do. So feel free to reach out to us about your building project, ask any questions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.